Welcome to the AD Claude podcast series with social impact leaders, an initiative by the Ashank Desai Center for Leadership and Organizational Development at IIM Ahmedabad, where we document and celebrate the leadership journeys of India's homegrown social entrepreneurs who have built impactful institutions from the ground up. In today's episode, we have the privilege of speaking with Anshu Gupta, popularly known as the Clothing Man of India and the recipient of the 2015 Ramon Magsaysay Award, often called the Nobel Prize of Asia. Anshu is the founder of Goonj, based in New Delhi. In 1999, he quit a corporate career and together with his wife and co-founder Meenakshi Gupta began Goonj with items of clothing from their own wardrobe and a radical conviction that cloth is not charity, it is a matter of dignity and a development issue. Over the next 2.5 years, Goonj has grown into one of India's most distinctive social enterprises, operating across 24 states in the year 2024 to 2025, channeling urban surplus material into a parallel economy of rural dignity and community-led development. Through initiatives like Cloth for Work, not just a piece of cloth, Rahat Disaster Relief, and the School to School program, Goonj has pioneered a model in which communities are not passive receivers of aid, but active agents who earn material resources through their own labor and leadership. Goonj has won the World Bank's Marketplace Award, received NASA recognition as a game-changing innovation, and has been recognized as a PieFast company from India's most innovative companies. Anshu Gupta has also been a Ashoka Fellow, a Schwab Fellow, and was listed by Forbes as one of India's most powerful rural entrepreneurs. Anshu, it's a pleasure to have you here with us today. Thank you for joining us for this podcast.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good to be here.
Thank you. So for our listeners, Anshu, maybe we start with a very simple, having you describe to us what Goonj looks like today from your eyes, its scale, at the states it operates in, the range of initiatives, the nature of your team, volunteer network, and the organization and how it is funded.
Nice. So I think our dream was like a movement kind of thing. So I think I would say that's in the right direction.
Okay.
We are now about 1,200 people full time into it, and we operate 24, 25 states, and it goes up. Like in the COVID era, it went up to almost 30, 31 in the states and UTs and all that. And otherwise, depending on the disasters and need, we also, plus minus. But on an average, anytime it's a 20 plus.
Okay.
Right? And with about 10 big centers where the entire processing, production and all happen. But then larger outreach of us is actually in the villages of India, which normally a lot of people don't know, because unfortunately even today, large number of people think that we are in the business of collecting and distributing clothes. Okay, but it's a completely different game what we are trying to play for the last, say now 27 years. Okay. And of course, the biggest strength for us is our, we call them do-gooders. Which is large number of people in the cities and also large number of people in the villages. So our volunteerism is not limited to the cities of India, but also very deep rooted in the villages.
Okay. So you said you're not just collecting clothes. So what are some of the other things that you're doing, which would be interesting for us to look at?
No, so the journey started with a piece of cloth, or by understanding that there is a lot of people die due to lack of clothing in winters. To be honest, in many countries, more people die due to lack of clothing in winters than earthquake or floods.
Oh, really? Okay.
And clothing has never been a subject. You know it very well. From the Millennium Development Goal to Sustainability Development Goal,
Yes.
You can find some 100, 150 issues, but you will never find clothing written as a subject.
Hmm.
Although, when you say three basic needs, you say roti, kapda, makan.
Kapda
food,
makan. Yes. Hmm.
It's a completely ignored, rather non-issue.
Hmm.
It always remained a charitable subject object that when you want to give, you give,
Hmm.
or a disaster relief material.
Hmm. Hmm.
You must have seen that how after every single disaster of whatever magnitude, the first relief material which comes out of people's home
Is
is
clothes.
actually their used clothing.
Hmm.
But that's also an indication that people actually are hoarding it in their homes in trucks
Hmm.
and waiting for a disaster to happen. And maybe we are not understanding that economic and social poverty are the ongoing disaster.
Hmm. Hmm.
Or winters are a disaster. I mean,
Correct.
for the last about a decade or so, we have started talking, the world has started talking more about climate and temperature and whatnot. But in those days, there was no conversation. So for us, clothing became an entry point in this entire movement because by understanding the issues around clothing, we also understood that it's a larger issue of material poverty. Okay, it's not limited to cloth because large number of people get into debt cycle forever because they end up buying some hardcore material for their basic needs.
Right.
So, I mean, a school going kid need a bag or a notebook or a pen.
Sure.
Someone needs a sari, someone needs a shirt, after every disaster, we all listen to these, statements that every family will get 20 kg of rice. But no one talks about a pan to cook and a plate to eat. Yeah. And then
Correct.
people end up buying this at a opportunity cost of that time and get into the debt cycle and all. So we realize that it's not just about cloth, it's cloth, utensil, footwear, door, windows, wash basin, carpet, unused material in different large number of offices, unsold inventories, short expiry material, customer return material, season change material, display material. कि आपने you display one shoe, in a big say shoe shop
Correct.
or shoe mall आजकल. And wo thoda that fades a little bit, so the other can also not be used. So all
Right.
this is like huge amount of material which otherwise goes in landfills.
Yes.
Or that's a huge asset.
It's a huge asset. Yeah.
So we realize ki bhai, on one side you have this huge amount of underutilized material. On the other side, there are millions of people who need it across the globe. And in the middle of it, there is something called landfill or dustbin.
Right.
Which the material should not go there because I might call, say, my handkerchief or my kurta a wastage tomorrow or my chair, but it's not a wastage, it's a wastage for me. This chair can live for 2 more years.
Yes. Yes.
So it's actually dealing with almost all kind of material. I mean, we at Goonj, we always say that accept a used shit pot, send us anything. Okay? We don't want bulky sofas and all that kind of thing, but
No.
unfortunately everything comes.
Right. Right. So, Anshu, this is very interesting. So, why do you think clothing has never entered people's minds? Why SDG? Why nobody thinks about it? Because it's such a, as you said, it's like one of the 3 basic needs that people have. How come clothing is missing?
So, very mundane answer, but also a real answer. Okay? And then this is what I often tell people. Say, if I don't get lunch after breakfast, I understand hunger. If I go to a different place and I don't have a hotel booked or a place to stay, I also understand what is this being on road without.
Sure.
But I think, unfortunately, fortunately, large number of decision makers have not thought about it. They have made a mistake to identify people with what they are wearing.
Right. Right.
Okay, because how do you really decide or define a community when you go to the community and you really find community wearing very nice clothes, this and that? Your perception about so-called poverty or so many other social issues are completely different.
Right.
So that becomes the first visible sign.
Mm.
So many of us have not faced those kind of issues.
Mm.
I mean, it's not that we have to face everything to
No, yes, of
respond to that.
course.
That's an absolutely wrong statement.
Right.
But still,
Yeah. No, I understand.
in our day-to-day life,
Mm.
we have not we have just taken it for granted. We
Yes.
are also happy in judging people that
Mm.
okay, if this person doesn't have cloth, this person is not wearing cloth or proper cloth, and proper also I will decide. That person does not have a right to decide
Correct.
what is proper, what is not. Then this person is so-called poor, and this person is my community.
Yes.
And let me make schemes for this person.
Correct. Very true. Very true. Also, with the kind of volumes that you've been speaking about, the kind of things that you've been collecting, you have a very large volunteer and partner network, right? You can't just do it yourself.
Of course.
So how does that operate? How big is it, and how does that operate? How did it come into effect?
So volunteers, to be honest, we don't know how many. Okay, because I mean, in the last about a decade, we have dealt with more than 72 million, which is almost like say about 7 crore kgs of material.
Okay.
Right, and that has largely come through different chains and people, and by organizing collection camps and all that. I think what worked well in our case is that normally, as a not-for-profit, when you touch base with the urban population, you really talk about the money and whole lot of other things. But in our case, we only spoke about how can you join this entire movement by maybe motivating or informing more people about it. Because so it's a very simple thing. How you're saying how it grew, you can see there that if someone just called us up and say that I want to give material or whatever, we said nice, good, come. I mean, we will not come and pick up. That's a precondition. Because the whole ideology was that when you talk about your old used material, and if we call it a donation, we challenge that thought process, and we said that that's a wrong concept, that's a wrong thought process, because by giving away our already used material, we cannot call it a donation. It's a discard. Yeah, we are giving it because we don't need it.
Yeah.
If we give it in a bad way, then it's actually a discard.
Yes.
If you're giving it in a decent way, then it is sharing.
Right.
So you have no right to create a hello here, because you have to be thankful to the people who are using your material.
Correct.
Yeah, absolutely. Because they are the keepers of your emotions, hard-earned money, and everything. Yeah. So we were very clear about it. So that's what we said, that when you are coming, say, from 30 kilometers to drop the material here, why don't you talk to maybe 4 of your neighbors and bring that material also in your car or something?
Okay.
So that's how it started growing. Then that person started talking to neighbor. Then it started happening a collection camp in the colony. Then the dream became a little bigger. The person also said that now I want to involve my college, my school, or my office. So that's how that person turned into a do-gooder, and also got a lot of respect from the neighborhood. There are a lot of people who are now called Goonj wale uncle, Goonj wale auntie, Goonj wale bhaiya, whatever, because they are the go-to people now in that area.
Sure.
And then we never encourage any kind of certificate, because we always told people that, listen, this is just a forum which is giving you a chance to do good.
Sure.
Because all of us want to do good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's how it has grown in a very completely different way.
Very interesting.
We never counted their number of hours. We never tried to give a certificate on the basis of number of hours. Because as a citizen of this nation, it's your responsibility.
Correct. Right?
And in a way, we all are paying back.
Yes.
In whatever way we can. Not everyone can pay back in terms of money.
Sure.
But everyone has a skill, time, energy, connects. There are so many other currencies in which you can pay back.
Absolutely. So I know we didn't think about it, but in our questions, but let me just ask this, that, now there is increasingly this whole thing of fast fashion. People buy clothes for like one occasion and then they throw it away or they don't use it. Has that impacted something that comes your way? Is that like, are you getting more because of that, or people are still throwing it in the landfill, or hoarding it.
I mean, it's, to be honest, it's not just limited to clothes now.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm.
From furniture to suitcases to what not.
Hmm.
And then the trend is also changing. Like when we were growing, the 2 chula gas was the gas
Correct.
burner. Now it's 4.
Yes. Hmm.
Okay. And so many other things.
Correct.
So everything comes.
Hmm.
Okay. But I still feel that I mean we are not able to find answers. That when we run a campaign in a school
Hmm.
and there are 3,000 kids in that school,
Hmm.
3,000 kids put together must be having at least 5,000 water bottles.
Yes.
Yeah, not less than that.
Not less than that. Yeah.
Not. But when we run a campaign, only 200 comes.
Hmm.
What
Hmm.
happens to that 4,800?
Correct.
See?
Hmm.
Why do we start treating that plastic or start throwing it away and all that when this water bottle can still live one more life?
Hmm. Hmm.
That it enjoys the city life for 6 months, it goes to the village life for 6 months, and
Hmm.
then you recycle, reuse it, because the whole idea of circularity, in my opinion, is actually the optimum utilization of something.
Absolutely. Hmm.
Yeah.
I totally agree
An
with you.
optimum utilization as it is. A
Yes.
jeans need to be used as a jeans before it
Yeah.
becomes
Yeah.
a
It
bag.
becomes anything else. Yeah. Hmm.
So I think that way I still feel much more consciousness about this is needed.
Hmm. Hmm.
And the school should not also celebrate when they get 200 water bottles.
Hmm. Hmm.
They should actually question themselves that what happened to the remaining
Correct.
4,800 or whatever. Till that point, I mean, we really don't know, because that means that half of it is going in landfills.
Hmm. Hmm. Do you think
Or to a scrap dealer for whom it's not a water bottle.
No.
For whom it's a plastic or tin or what.
So yeah, very interesting. So I think what you're also saying is that it requires us to use more bolder metrics for our measurement, not just kuch de diya. Can we look at more? Yeah.
Or this long conversations and very bold conversation that even in the corporates, right? I mean, you have some 30,000, 40,000 employees. How do you celebrate 6 cartons of material?
Correct.
To be honest, if I had a team member like that who could only arrange 6 cartons of material in a, say, employee group of 40,000 people, I would have asked that person to go. That's the most incompetent person.
Right.
Look at the potential. Okay?
Yes.
And then see what we had done. And then let's start celebrate those small tokenism kind of stuff.
Yeah. Well, very good point. So moving on, you built this organization with your wife, Meenakshi Gupta. And this was both a founding partnership, professional and personal at once. How has that shaped the organization? And what does Meenakshi bring to the organization that you could not have built without her?
So when we started, of course, I left my job. And then someone had to do the kitchen part also, because someone has to earn. And I started doing some freelance work, but then I wanted to be more focused. I stopped that also in all my journalism and photography and all, everything is stopped. So that way it was like full-time job for me. I mean, I was 24/7 in that. And then later on, after a few years, Meenakshi, she also joined the movement full-time. But before that, I still remember we had a Maruti 800 and how we used to go literally door to door in the initial phase, because the first point for us was that we have to go to 100 people, any 100 people, so that they understand that who are we, what are we trying to do, right? Those 100 people will not ask them to come to us. And in any case, we had nothing. And we were operating from home. Not even a single office or office table or office chair. Nothing was there. That was because I just moved out from Escorts, left the job, and then started doing this with no knowledge, no background, not even a visiting card to whom you can go and understand or learn something about it. Because I'm talking about literally 1998.
Yes, of course.
Abhi to now it's a very a lot of buzzwords in the sector and all that. But for Meenakshi, I think I would say she has been the backbone of this entire movement. Right? I mean, apart from whole lot of other role on the strategy and a lot of inner work in the organization because it's a big force of people
Yes.
now, and it's a very mundane job to some extent because for the last 27 years we are collecting all kind of rubbish and usable and non-usable material from people and trying to be innovative with that way. So she has been a backbone. She also has been someone who made sure that we don't fly, which is very important, because you never know when you start flying, when you get some recognitions that people start calling you in different way, or you start getting some standing ovation and all that.
Yes.
We often forget that all this is very momentary, and this is not happening because of you. This is happening because of hundreds and thousands of people, who are there together with you and who trusted a mad concept or certain kind of madness, and this huge amount of respect for that. So Meenakshi made sure that we don't fly, for sure.
That's lovely.
And she's also a go-to person for a large number of people. I mean, there are a lot of relationships which started with me, and but now maybe many and those people are much closer friends or buddies than me, because
I see.
मैं तो आधे घंटे के बाद I become operational.
Okay. So what are some of and so she continues to work. So as you said, you have 1,200 people, right, in the organization. And so how does it operate? So every center you employ some people, and these people would be distributed across 24, 27 states. How does the organization run?
So there are three parts of this, you can say. Okay. First part is the collection of material and awareness. That is largely limited to the cities, and also a whole lot of say joint campaign with large number of retail chains, right? From Whirlpool to Shoppers Stop to Raymond's to whole lot of chain. All that happens in the city and largely practically done by the volunteers,
I see.
but managed by the team.
Okay.
There are 8 big centers in big cities, but there are a lot of smaller places also, which is completely run by the volunteer, and then the material come to us.
Okay.
That way. And it's a mix of material, as I told you. The second part is the most important part, which is the processing of material. Okay? Because the biggest problem with all this material related work is that you give what you have. You don't give what people need. And India is a hugely diversified, beautiful country.
Right.
I mean, one of the example which I've been giving to people, that if you see all these 4-5 southern states, all these states are touching border with each other. Every single state is eating rice, but a different variety of rice. Every state eats sambar.
Different kind, yeah.
Same ingredients.
Yes.
Completely different taste.
Correct.
This is the beauty. But when you work on the logistics, this is also a nightmare.
Yes.
How do you really match the needs of people? And that too of the rural India. So all these processing centers work very minutely on those things. But how do you really match the need of people? How do you make sure that the rotten, dirty material does not go to the people and only the A-grade material goes to the people? Fortunately, on one side, we have very beautiful giving habits of some people, but also very bad habits. I mean, we even end up getting used sanitary pads in our work, in our material, and blood-soaked undergarment. Right?
How sad.
And on the other side, we also get the most beautiful, not even opened kind of material or a return gift from someone. We get both the extremes. So this team works on that, and they try to match the need, they try to process the material and all that. And also there is a complete chain of, we call it cloth-based employment, especially in terms of textile. We have created a chain where not even a single inch of most discarded but not soiled cloth can go waste.
I see.
Cotton cloth will become sanitary pad, hosiery will become undergarment, torn jeans will become a school bag, torn shirt will become a jhola. Otherwise, asan, sujni, rope, even the button of those torn clothes will be useful, because we will put few buttons and couple of thread ka roll and a needle in every family pack, whenever we can. So even that will be utilized. Now, the third group is the biggest group for us, but that group has comparatively lesser number of formal people of Poonch, but larger number of rural volunteers and large number of partner organizations. Okay, community-based organization, NGOs, social entrepreneurs, units of Indian Army, Border Road Organization, panchayats, school, whole lot of very
I see.
detailed partnership.
I see.
Inka kaam, their work is implementation.
Okay.
Now, what is implementation? Implementation is not distributing material at all. We don't distribute. Right. So we do hardcore work on, say, what now comes under the title of climate. We are doing it for the last 27 years now, which is reviving the water bodies, okay, desilting water bodies, making bamboo bridges, cleaning whole lot of canals, digging wells, putting together large scale of mangroves and other plantation. We call it cloth for work. Okay? So the whole idea of Gonj is that you identify your own issues which are troubling you, and when women becomes your biggest target audience, two things women need. One is water, second is access.
Correct.
A road. Because India mein to for sure, I know outside India also, I don't think we have ever seen a man with a pot bringing water.
For sure.
It's always women.
It's always
If you start talking about priorities, and for women, the first priority is water, as near as it can be, and if it can be approachable that way. So we revive large number of water bodies and all that, and this is where the communities get together. Communities do that work, and then after a few days of work, instead of money, they are rewarded in kind. So they are actually earning, in a way, a shirt or a trouser, or a jeans or whatever. They're earning. So we have completely demolished charity with this entire old material. And most important part is that now people are the decision makers. So me and you will never go and say every village will have a pond or a road or a kitchen garden. The community will decide what is their priority, from a Shamshan Bhumi, Kabristan, to playground, to water body, to mangrove plantation, anything and everything.
So
they decide they work on it.
So where do the resources for that come, for building some of those things?
मतलब resources यदि आप देखेंगे, आपको, say if you are talking about a bamboo bridge in a community.
Okay.
Now you need bamboos largely. You need a lot of local labor.
Right.
And maybe some wire or something somewhere.
Right.
Every family will give a bamboo or two and a few days of labor.
Contributory.
Contributory. सड़क बनेगी तो पत्थर नदी के आए, नदी के लिए human chain बनेगा.
Okay.
Or maybe a so-called rich farmer will give his tractor and ask the villagers to put diesel in that.
Sure.
And then people will collect 20 rupees from everyone and collect diesel and bring it. Complete ownership, and it's a hundreds of kilometers of roads we have been able to build.
I see.
Hundreds of water bodies we have been able to revive.
I see.
Millions of plants we have been able to do. Hundreds and thousands of kitchen gardens. There's a huge list of work जो अब हो चुका है और जो लगातार हो रहा है. Because not even a single family kit will go without that contribution of people. Charity nahi.
Charity, yeah.
And the important part is कि suppose you give a shirt to someone or a shoe to someone and go tomorrow and say कि भाई ये मेरा है, this belongs to me. Person has no option but to say कि हाँ जी आपका is yours. But the moment that person has worked on his or her water body and you claim that this shirt is mine, what you have received as a gift, the person will tell you that it might be yours, but I have earned it. So that is a language we are actually changing by using material as a tool.
So tell me two things. I'm just curious. From some of my own experience with some of the villagers and the way things are, don't they become a little resentful, or are they expecting, so how does that work? And the second is, with so many handouts being given to people, right? Money is being handed over, Manrega hai, and all of that. So it's almost like you can get some of this money without really doing anything. How does your work then situate in that? Because I really agree with what you're saying, but the realities in the villages are very different today. Or
there is no substitute of self-respect or dignity.
Ji.
Right? charity in whatever shape it is happening across the globe is enforced. No one wants charity.
No, absolutely.
Um, और ये this we have seen with our house help and drivers and all that kind of thing. Right? मतलब हम अच्छी तरह जानते हैं.
They want to work, yeah.
Everyone wants to work. No one
Yeah.
wants to get anything free of cost. So
Free.
ये सब मुझे लगता है large part of it is our perceptions and our narratives. बाकी कुछ नहीं है. If Gunj has been able to prove in the last 27 years that millions of people are absolutely ready to work and create their infrastructure, dig new ponds, clean acres of ponds without even knowing what are they going to get.
Correct.
Because it's not a transaction, right?
No.
You're not saying that if you work for 3 hours you'll get this, work for 6 hours. No, it is a tool to make sure, or rather it is a tool to keep your self-respect intact. I will have no right to call you garib, bechara, whatever, fine, because you have your hands, you have your labor, you have your skills. मेरे खानदान में शायद लोग ना जानते हो, my engineer family, my early generation, full of engineers. Some people say that 20 plus pass outs of IIT Roorkee itself in the last generation. Okay, I don't know how many of them actually were taught how to make a bamboo bridge.
Correct.
Or how to dig a well. जबकि देश तो वही है, देश को तो वही चाहिए.
वही चाहिए.
Right? तो मुझे तो to be honest आपने लगा कि लोग निकम्मे हो गए हैं फ्री डोल की वजह से and all that kind of thing. है unfortunately a lot of stress on free distribution of everything.
Correct.
Right? But I can tell you that large number of people are absolutely happy to do something and then get something.
I see.
100%. ये हमारे perceptions हैं. A lot of people tell us the same thing कि नहीं but अब तो गांव में मजदूर नहीं. You know, I always remind them that no, the मजदूर or first person whatever or whosoever you're saying now has started understanding that you can't treat that person like this.
Correct.
That is it. But you don't want to go to that path. You don't want to pay the minimum wages and all that. And that's why you complain all this.
So true. So true. Okay. तो you know, so ये जो आपने अभी बताया that you have made you know kilometers and kilometers of road and all of that, is this documented as to?
Everything is documented.
Okay.
Data है, बहुत है, pictures, reports हैं, सब कुछ है. हमने बहुत ज्यादा है, मतलब that has been our weakness to be honest. कि हमने उसको बहुत disseminate नहीं करा है. और अब हमें उसका थोड़ा सा मतलब we feel sad about it because the whole idea was that to spread this ideology, because this ideology is not our ideology. This ideology is also, it shows the strength of people.
Correct. Correct.
Okay, it also corrects those narrative which you just spoke about. लोग निकम्मे हैं, लोग करना नहीं चाहते, whatever. ये उसका एक मतलब बहुत अच्छा proof है कि नहीं, लोग करना चाहते हैं. People are only looking for option. तो हमें लगता है कि वो एक हमारी तरफ से थोड़ी सी कमी रह गई. The kind of stories of say जिसको आप कहते हैं जोश की या विजडम की या डिसीजन मेकिंग की हजारों लाखों स्टोरीज वो हमने उस लेवल पे.
करेक्ट. बिकॉज आई थिंक जब भी हम गूंज के बारे में पढ़ते हैं एंड व्हेनेवर वी थिंक ऑफ इट इज ऑलवेज अबाउट इट्स अ प्लेस वेयर यू कलेक्ट material, you sort it, and then you distribute it. But distribute in what way, and using work as a means, I have not read as much in the popular media. But now that you're sharing, I think it's a very powerful thing. And honestly, I don't think log nikamme hain, but मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि if we keep feeding people without work and we tell them कि अब बस आप पैसे ले लो and सोते रहो, that is opium of the masses, right? That's
okay only for few people. तो वो तो हम लोगों के बीच में भी है.
हाँ, वो तो है.
हमारे घरों में जिनको आप यदि मौका दोगे कि तुम खाना सो जाओ तो वो सो जाएगा. ठीक है, हमारे साथ भी है ना, सब लोगों के साथ में, हमारे ऑफिस में भी होंगे, बट वो गिने चुने लोग हैं.
करेक्ट. हाँ.
अदरवाइज दुनिया में ना यार, आई ऑलवेज फील दैट एवरीवन, एक तो सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, दूसरे चॉइसेस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
राइट.
वी कम इन दिस वर्ल्ड to have our own choices.
Choices, yeah.
And charity does not give you choices.
Absolutely. Yeah.
चैरिटी पे तो आप डिसाइड करते हैं ना कि किसको क्या खाना है.
Yeah. It only, it only solidifies the power difference. That's all it does. It doesn't.
Charity is always imposed.
Yeah, it's imposed.
चैरिटी
Yeah.
चॉइस नहीं देती. और दुनिया में हर एक इंसान चॉइस तो करना चाहता है ना.
Correct.
नहीं.
Absolutely. Yeah. I totally agree with you. So, with all the work that you have done, what are you most proud of in the kind of work that we have that you've been able to do?
देखिए, एक तो we have been really able to break certain myths.
Right.
In a big way. Fine. मतलब, और दूसरा हमें लगता है कि हम लोग we've been able to find a new currency in the market. जो आपका ओल्ड मटेरियल हमेशा कुछ डिस्कार्डेड होता था या चैरिटेबल होता था, वो आज एक नई करेंसी है.
Correct.
और तीसरा, यदि if I see the larger part, what personally gives us lot of satisfaction is our work in the COVID phase. Okay, we are known for working in disasters for sure. उसी चक्कर में हुआ क्या है कि if you see the entire work of Gunj, जिसका हमें थोड़ा सा हमें लगता है कि this is something good, meaningful work we have done, but it is grossly underutilized right now, is literally laying the pipelines in the country. जैसे आप, if you see the entire telecom sector and the optical fiber, fine, just giving you one example.
Sure.
तो आपने वो एक पूरा नेट बिछाया,
Yeah.
and then you started using it for multiple purposes.
Correct.
If you see the entire work of Gunj, in the last 27 years, Gunj has laid those pipelines, laid that grid of relationships, logistics, understanding communities, decision making, partnerships, right? From the biggest possible cities to the borders of this country. Thousands and thousands of villages, hundreds of cities, whatever. अब ये एक पूरा ग्रिड तैयार है, तो हम लोग तो ठीक है, नॉर्मल में तो हम काम करते हैं, जो भी करते हैं, बट व्हेन कोविड हैपेंड एंड आवर ट्रेडिशनल मॉडल व्हिच इज बेस्ड ऑन पीपल्स ओल्ड मटेरियल कोलैप्स.
Correct.
क्योंकि सामान तो आ ही नहीं रहा आपका.
आ ही नहीं रहा था.
तो कायदे में तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को 3 महीने की छुट्टी ले लेनी चाहिए थी, बिकॉज वी हैड नो मटेरियल.
Correct.
एंड आवर एवरीथिंग इज अबाउट मटेरियल.
Yes.
But then within few hours, we realize that no, the only thing we don't have is material. We have relationships, we have understanding, we have logistics, we have partners, we know hundreds of people, thousands of people trust us, even in the villages. And that's how we started doing the work in a completely different way. कि हम hub and spoke को Delhi and villages नहीं बनाएंगे, हम छोटे छोटे गाँवों को hub बना देंगे. Well, आप believe नहीं करेंगे, in that phase we also worked on more than 4 lakh kgs of fresh vegetables and fruits. Because हमने कहा ये कोलार में, कर्नाटका में farmers are forced to sell tomato for 50 पैसा एक kg.
Correct.
बिहार में 4 रुपए किलो मिर्च बेचने पे मजबूर है, because it's perishable, right?
Yeah.
We started giving market rate to people. We said कि एक गांव में सब्जी के पैक बनेंगे और वो क्लॉथ फॉर वर्क में बाजू के गांव में जाएंगे. And it worked so well.
Correct.
So the amount of and then this was our first disaster. और देखिए, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जब बड़ा हो जाता है तो उसको आप you always celebrate.
Yeah.
But it can also become a liability on you.
Yes.
Someday.
Yeah.
And that happened with us in COVID because suddenly आप, क्योंकि आपका footprint काफी बड़ा है और the entire country is largely equally affected.
Yes.
ठीक है, तो अब आप ऐसा कौन सा एरिया है जिसमें आप सर्व नहीं करेंगे, आपको तो करना पड़ेगा. And how do you really do that? But the good part is that we were able to do that.
Wonderful.
क्योंकि हमारा वो, हमको we didn't have to think about logistics and relationships and किससे बात करनी है, कहाँ से सामान लेना है, वो सब हमको, क्योंकि हमारा 24 घंटे का काम ही वो है.
Correct.
That's
Correct.
it. तो मुझे लगता है कि वो शायद हमारा एक हाई पॉइंट रहा.
Very nice.
पहली बार एक पैन इंडिया डिजास्टर हुआ और we were able to do whatever little we were able to do. Right? Magnitude of disaster was completely different.
Right.
You know, but it was one work which gave satisfaction to large number of us.
Very interesting. So, to manage 1,200 people huge logistics, different kinds of things that you're moving, requires, I'm sure, a backbone of two things, I believe. Ek very, very sophisticated supply chain kind of logistics, and the other is finance, right? You need money to do some of this. So, where are these two coming from? How do you work with them?
So logistics बड़ा interesting है. I think this is something we learned on our own. Large number of us by doing it. कि जो भी लोग स्टडी कर रहे हैं इस पे, they find it very efficient
Okay.
and very cost effective.
Okay.
जबकि इससे completely different kind of logistics, because the variety of material is completely
Yes.
different. दूसरा कोई भी मटेरियल एक साथ तो
होता
जब
नहीं
आप
है.
कहीं भी
हाँ.
भेजते हैं, और जो रीच है वो बहुत रिमोट है.
Okay.
वो बांग्लादेश बॉर्डर पर है, नेपाल बॉर्डर पर है, बहुत सारी जगह पर, और डिजास्टर प्रोन एरियाज में बहुत है जहाँ वैसे भी लॉजिस्टिक्स नहीं काम करती है.
Sure.
बट अब हमारे एटलीस्ट हो गया है कि से सपोज इफ यू हैव अ डिजास्टर इन सुंदरबंस इन वन ऑफ द आइलैंड, आई थिंक यहाँ कहीं से एक सामान ट्रक में जाए, फिर वहां से मिनी ट्रक में जाए, फिर बोट पे जाए, बोट के बाद मोटरसाइकिल पे. ओके, तो वो कुछ चेन मतलब उस तरह की गई है, तो वी आर एबल टू डील विद इट राइट नाउ. चैलेंज है बिकॉज कॉस्ट बहुत बढ़ रही हैं,
Sure.
टैक्सेस बहुत बढ़ गए हैं, टोल टैक्स इतना हैवी हो
Oh,
गया है
yes. Hmm.
for the roads and all. So everything ultimately has to come to us only.
Sure. Sure.
So costs have become a very major issue right now for us in terms of logistics for sure. अच्छा, हमें तो तीन चीजें चाहिए. एक, हम जब सामान हमने इकट्ठा किया तो हमें स्पेस चाहिए बहुत सारा.
Absolutely.
Okay, to store, to process, to pack.
Sure.
And second, we need a lot of people to work on that material.
Right. Right.
Media में the article 1,000 more people will give us material all of a sudden.
Yes.
And none of them understand कि भाई if I am giving a trouser, it will be sorted by a paid person sitting at a paid place, and it will be transported by a paid transport.
Correct.
और हमारा काम का तो एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन से बाद का भी बहुत प्रोसेस है,
Yes.
जिसमें वो सड़क बनेगी, ये होगा, वो होगा,
Correct.
all that kind of thing. तो लॉजिस्टिक्स फिर भी कंट्रोल में है, एक्सेप्ट कॉस्ट, थिंग्स आर ओके. मनी वाइज हमारा जो इस समय, आई थिंक लास्ट ईयर के हिसाब से यदि मैं चलूं, वी नीड अबाउट 80 to 90 crore rupees which is our survival budget, because हार्डकोर लॉजिस्टिक्स वर्क.
Yes.
स्टोरीज कितनी भी इमोशनल हो, बट काम लॉजिस्टिक्स का,
काम
और वॉल्यूम बढ़ रहा है और नीड बढ़ रहा है हमारी. वो थोड़ा सा फाइट है पिछले 3-4 साल से, बिकॉज व्हेन द मार्केट इज अ परसेप्शन दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज बिग, लॉट ऑफ से इंडिविजुअल्स गो अवे, वो किसी और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को करने लगते हैं.
Sure.
CSR is a good idea, but CSR करता है, CSR is working with us, but बहुत सारा मतलब थोड़ा सा ये है कि CSR की प्रायोरिटीज में there are a lot of states which need us badly, or such kind of work badly. Those are not the priorities of CSR. चाहे वो ईस्टर्न इंडिया हो, नॉर्थ ईस्ट हो,
सही है,
उत्तराखंड हो, मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, many एरिया. दूसरा, ये सारे काम एक प्रोजेक्ट मोड में सिर्फ नहीं, 4 महीने में
No.
तो वो थोड़ा सा बॉटलनेक है अभी हमारा 3-4 साल से. मतलब we are facing problem in that, but before COVID it was pretty okay. हम लोग का जो भी बजट था वो लार्जली इंडिविजुअल्स और कॉर्पोरेट फाउंडेशन सबसे मिला मिलू के आज.
Okay.
3-4 साल से थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, और उसमें एक प्रॉब्लम ये भी रही है कि हम लोगों ने कभी पैसा मांगा नहीं. You wouldn't have heard इतने साल से, if you know gold.
No, not at
हमारी
all.
कभी कोई फंड रेजिंग कॉल, फंड रेजिंग अपील कभी होती, तो शायद लोगों को लगता होगा कि ये तो सेल्फ सफिशिएंट है, कैसे हैं पता नहीं. तो वो अभी हम स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, एंड वी डोंट हैव एनी से सो कॉल्ड बिग HNI एंड ऑल दैट बिहाइंड अस ऑन ए रूटीन बेसिस. एड हॉक होता है, बट नॉट ऑन ए रूटीन. तो वो हम लोग वी आर ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड अवर मसल.
Build up.
क्योंकि अब वो हमें ऐसा लगता है कि यदि वो नहीं हुआ, और हमारी 90 crore is a big money, but it's not that huge also given the size of the work and the nature of the work.
Operations. Yeah.
और उस 80-90 crore में हम कई सौ करोड़ का, if you see, we also by investing 80-90 crore, we also basically, आप सोचिए कि हम दुनिया में कई सौ करोड़ का लेबर, विजडम, मटेरियल भी तो निकाल लाते हैं ना.
Correct. correct.
आपकी वर्किंग कैपिटल तो
Yeah,
is
yeah,
much more than 80-90 crore.
sure,
Because we
sure.
are not using 80-90 crore just to distribute or something.
Right, right.
80-90 crore will also raise material of hundreds of crores.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Wisdom and the local infrastructure and local
Hmm.
resources from mitti to patthar to bamboo of hundreds of crores. So,
Crores.
मतलब this is one model जहाँ पर if you invest 100 rupees, you will get result of 500 rupees worth of.
Yeah, so it's catalytic capital in that sense. Yeah.
Absolutely, in a big way. You know, say 5x, 6x time. But
Correct.
वो लोगों को थोड़ा जब समझ आएगा,
Correct.
आएगा.
So, are you hiring very specialized people for some of this? Because you need fundraisers, you need people, you know, जो 24 घंटे यही सोचें कि कैसे पैसा ला. Or are you doing it pretty much on your own?
नहीं, मैं तो I have never approached. मतलब आपने कभी सुना नहीं होगा. और हम बड़े, to be honest, हम हमारी we were more in the reactive mode till few years back. लोग खुद ही आते थे. कहीं भी पैसा तो लोगों से ही आया, नहीं तो इतना कहाँ से है.
For
There are
sure.
a large number of good people who have been doing this. वो भी बड़े आस्था के साथ. और 2-3 एग्जाम्पल तो बड़े क्लासिक हैं कि आपकी बिटिया का एडमिशन LSR में हो गया और आपने 10,000 रुपए का चेक उनको भेज दिया. या आपने कोई मारुति 800 से आप अपग्रेड हुए, लास्ट कुछ साल पहले की बात है, and you send a check to Gooch in the happiness.
In the happiness, right, right.
तो वो बड़ा आस्था की तरह से भी नहीं. तो हम लोग लार्जली रिएक्टिव मोड में थे, प्रोएक्टिव नहीं. तो हमारी मसल ही बिल्ड नहीं हुई.
Right.
पैसा मांगते गए.
Right.
और अब वो थोड़ा सा बॉटलनेक ये हो गया है कि हमारे तरीके अलग हैं.
हाँ.
जो आप फंडरेजिंग की बात कर रही हैं, उसके तरीके काफी अलग हैं. तो हम लोग अब वहाँ फंसे हुए हैं कि भाई ऐसा कौन अप्रोप्रिएट इंसान होगा जो ये भाषा बोल के भी पैसा ला सकता होगा. तो we'll find someone, I'm sure.
I'm sure, right. But जरूरत है वैसे इंसान की, is what you're saying.
जरूरत है. It will start hampering the work because
Sure.
लोगों के जहन में नहीं आना चाहिए ये चीज कि हम क्राइसिस में हैं, डेफिसिट में हैं.
Right, right.
Okay, because then it discourages people in a big way.
Yes.
That too when the world is moving in a negative direction only.
Sure.
Right.
Sure. Yeah. Abhi, so in terms of compensation to your team, where does Goon stand? Do you pay? How do you pay them?
मतलब
How
good
do you-
salaries.
Good
Good
salary.
salaries.
Hmm.
जो मार्केट से मतलब लार्जली कंपेरेबल,
Okay.
जो मतलब हमारे सेक्टर में है.
Hmm.
और मिनिमम बेंचमार्किंग हाई है बिकॉज वी डोंट गेट इनटू दैट नॉनसेंस ऑफ कि कम्युनिटी वर्कर विल गेट 3,000 rupees. We haven't. We have been advocating right from the beginning. मतलब to be honest, जो लोग गूंज के इनिशियल डेज में they were getting 80 rupees a day. बट मैं 27 साल पहली बात कर रहा हूँ.
Sure.
They must be at least 25K now.
Okay.
Just to give you a small figure.
Wonderful. So everybody's been growing in that sense.
With PF, ESI, rental insurance for everyone.
Okay.
Tough job है तो anyone who is not covered in ESI will have at least 50 lakh का accidental insurance. कि कुछ हो जाए मतलब.
Very nice.
तो वो सब हम लोगों ने, even यदि फैमिली में किसी की कोई डेथ हुई है, छोटा सा एक, चाहे वो 10,000 रुपए का ही होगा for the funeral.
There is a help.
या क्योंकि शादी यदि ग्रेजुएट.
Okay. Nice.
और 70-80% in any board people don't even talk about it.
No.
हम तो 60 कुछ % आए थे लड्डू.
हाँ, सही बात है.
अब तो कुछ नहीं होता. तो हम we celebrate those kids from the family. Apart from a certificate, public recognition in the team, do a small token amount for the admission to the next class.
Next class. Okay.
फिर हमने एक पूरी फेलोशिप लॉन्च की which is called Next Gen Fellowship.
Okay.
जिसमें हमने जो हमारे यहाँ की महिलाएं और लोग जो प्रोसेसिंग कर रहे हैं या वेट लिफ्ट मतलब सामान उठा रहे हैं, पैकिंग कर रहे हैं, we tell that we want your kids to become the part of the operation team. तो आपका काम है उनको ग्रेजुएट कराना, ग्रेजुएशन तक लाना. हमारा काम है उनको फेलोशिप से निकालना. तो we select many of those and then उनको 1 साल की फेलोशिप करते हैं. And now many of them are a part of the team now. उनकी माँ अभी भी चाय पिला रही है.
How nice.
And she's a very proud mother now.
Of course, yeah, yeah. So change has to be all across. It cannot be just in one domain. That's a very good,
और आप
your
यदि
work
अपनी
is
टीम के साथ में और आप कम्युनिटी के साथ में, तो वो
नहीं
तो
हो
बहुत वो
सकता.
चिराग तले अंधेरा वाली बात है,
हाँ
बिकॉज
जी, हाँ
आप
जी.
यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ, योर टीम
Right.
फर्स्ट.
So you pioneered the concept of material as currency. We started with that, where communities earn urban surplus through their development work. ये जो barter logic था, how has it developed, and what are some of the what are some of the insights that you have, which which others can possibly learn from you with that many years of
Okay,
experience?
the core of this is
Hmm.
that charity, sustained charity kills dignity of people. Core of that.
जी.
Okay. हमने cloth for work, हमें तो नहीं पता था. We never even imagined that we'll be digging wells sometime or we'll be growing mangroves sometime. हमने तो कभी imagine भी नहीं किया था, to be honest. But a simple desperation की मुफ्त में नहीं देना,
Right.
कुछ भी. Okay. That's how it started coming up. कि भाई, why can't people solve their larger big issues जिसके लिए अभी गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स नहीं है, भाई.
Correct.
और यदि एक गांव एक कच्ची सड़क बना देता है तो इट्स वेरी इजी फॉर देम टू कन्वर्ट दैट इनटू अ पक्का रोड विद एनी गवर्नमेंट स्कीम और समथिंग.
Yes.
बिकॉज़ फॉर्चुनेटली इन इंडिया फॉर एवरीथिंग देयर इज अ स्कीम.
There's a scheme. You're right.
ठीक है. तो और सबसे बड़ा बात है कि सिटीजंस विल स्टार्ट टेकिंग रिस्पांसिबिलिटी, एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट व्हेन यू मेक इट, यू मेंटेन इट, तो मेंटेनेंस विल बी योर.
Absolutely.
तो दैट्स हाउ इट ऑल स्टार्टेड. तो कुछ लेसन्स जो हमारे हैं, मतलब टू बी ऑनेस्ट, कि एक तो पीपल आर नॉट वेटिंग फॉर चैरिटी,
No.
नंबर वन. नंबर टू, पीपल हैव ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ विजडम. So all this nonsense of we will skill them, we will do this, we will do that, right? Or this nonsense of we want to give fish or we want to teach how to fish. That's also an utter nonsense, because वो भी इस assumption के साथ, इस belief के साथ में आ रहा है कि उनको कुछ नहीं आता है, और
Correct.
उनको तो fish ही चाहिए, type,
Right.
you know, in the shape of fish, whatever.
Yes, yes, yes.
वो उस बिलीफ के साथ आ रहा है, assumption के साथ भी नहीं आ रहा है.
Correct.
दैट इज द रीजन कि जब आप अर्बन में कुछ करते हैं तो मेरे और आपके जैसे लोग कहते हैं इनोवेशन,
हाँ जी.
और जब हिंदुस्तान का गांव कुछ करता है तो आप कहते हैं जुगाड़.
जुगाड़.
दैट सो कॉल्ड जुगाड़ इज मच बिगर इनोवेशन, मच मोर कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव इनोवेशन, क्योंकि उनके पास तो इतना पैसा और टूल थे ही नहीं एक्सपेरिमेंट और बर्न करने के लिए.
Correct.
तो वो अपना एक पुरानी कोल्ड ड्रिंक की बोतल को टैप पे लगा देते हैं और उसको 3 इंच के आउटलेट से 1 इंच का बना देते हैं.
Sure.
And you call it जुगाड़ instead of learning from them. So the lesson for us in the cloth for work and whole lot of this barter economy and all is it's not only about what you give, but it's also about how you give. And more than giving is about sharing.
Sharing. Yeah.
ठीक है. दूसरा, हम में से कोई भी डोनर और बेनिफिशियरी नहीं हो सकता. ये हम लोगों का पावर स्ट्रक्चर है, बिकॉज यदि मैं टाइम देता हूँ और मैं डोनर हूँ, तो कम्युनिटी टाइम देती है, तो वो बेनिफिशियरी कैसे है?
कैसे है? हाँ.
हम तो दोनों इंसान हैं
सही
और
बात है.
दोनों ने टाइम ही दिया.
सही बात है.
मेरी स्किल कम, डोनर की स्किल हो गई, कम्युनिटी की स्किल, बेनिफिशियरी की स्किल, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. द फीलिंग ऑफ स्टेक होल्डरशिप.
Correct.
कुछ तुम डालो, कुछ मैं डालूंगा, एंड दैट्स हाउ द मैजिक विल हैपन. दैट इज व्हाट वी लर्न फ्रॉम दिस. और तीसरा बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, कि आप जिसके पास जो है पहले उसको वैल्यू कीजिए.
Right. 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 Correct. Yes.
कुछ तो था,
Yeah, definitely. Correct. Correct.
वो उसके बाप दादाओं से चलता आ रहा है.
It's a long life wisdom. Yeah.
एब्सोल्युटली. तो शायद हम लोग जो मिस कर रहे हैं बहुत सारा इन दी entrepreneurship और in the development space, we are not making, many of us are not making people stakeholder in this entire journey.
Very interesting.
We
Yeah.
are still coming up with these, मतलब अब आप स्मोकलेस चूल्हा की बात करते हैं, भाई अच्छी बात है, बनाइए स्मोकलेस चूल्हा, पहले पता तो कर लीजिए वहाँ चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए, और यू नो, और क्या यही उसकी प्रायोरिटी है?
ये उसकी बड़ी
आपके लिए
प्रॉब्लम है.
आपको यहाँ बैठ कर बहुत दुख हो रहा है कि
हम्म
किसी की आंखें खराब हो रही है,
हम्म
विच इज वेरी जेन्युइन, बट क्या ये उसकी प्रायोरिटी है?
Is that the biggest problem they're all
और वो
working with?
स्मोकलेस चूल्हा का जो आप वो मुंह बनाते हैं,
हम्म
वो लोकलाइज है कि नहीं है?
सही बात
भाई
है।
ये हमने सीखा, क्योंकि ये तो भाई मैं तो मेरा तो कोई गांव से रिश्ता ही, to be
हाँ,
honest. And I've
जी,
grown up in a smaller towns, but never in the villages.
करेक्ट,
No one in my family, my last generation also, we were
यस,
all were in the city.
यस,
So I would say कि personally मेरे लिए तो, और हम में से बहुत सारे लोग, villages have been the biggest university.
टीचर्स, या in fact एक बार मैं I'd gone to a village in Orissa which was 4 kilometers from a district town. I won't mention the name. And वहाँ पर बेर होता है, and बेर का collection is very very difficult. 3 ट्रक बेर का उनको 5 किलो सॉल्ट देते थे,
बताइए
3 ट्रक बेर कलेक्शन का. I mean that's the exploitation that I think has happened across. And
काफी
I'm
शायद मुझे लगता है कि बाई डिजाइन हम उनको वैसा ही रखना चाहते हैं ना.
जी,
हम में
yeah,
से बहुत सारे लोग के लाइफ उनके वैसा रहने से ही चल रही है,
yes, yes.
ये भी सच है.
ये भी सच है. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. अच्छा, आपने few more questions. One is on menstrual dignity that you have worked on. Again, a topic that has been taboo in pretty much all societies, all social classes in India. But you've actually brought it out and you've been able to do some work. Would you like to share something about your work there?
देखिए हम तो we were working on cloth to start with,
Yes.
apart from many other materials,
जी.
but clothing of course was an important
Of
thing,
course.
and we started trying to find out कि भाई what are the different dimensions of this. And one of the question which came up is that what is this women using in those 5-6 days?
Correct.
Okay. क्योंकि हम 4-5 साल में पहले ही समझ गए थे कि कपड़े का बहुत एक्यूट शॉर्टेज है.
अच्छा.
ओके, एंड इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग शॉर्टेज व्हेन वी आर सेइंग. एक तरफ बहुत एक्सेस है, okay, और दूसरी तरफ बहुत शॉर्टेज है बिकॉज कोई चैनल नहीं है. दैट्स इट. ये समझ गए थे. दिस इज व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू फिल द गैप.
Fill the gap.
Oh.
Bridge.
तो मैं तो पर्सनली आई वेंट ऑन गूगल बैक इन 2004-5, और उसमें सैनिटरी पैड, सैनिटरी नैपकिन, ये सब डाले. टेम्पन वेम्पन तो उस समय होता ही नहीं था. इट वाज नॉट अ पॉपुलर वर्ड, और शायद इनोवेट नहीं हुआ था. आई डोंट नो. नॉट इवन ए सिंगल रिसर्च इन इंडिया. बहुत ही छोटी सी 100-200 लोगों पे कुछ था कहीं पे. नो
Okay.
प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट, नथिंग. और पर्सनली इट बिकेम अ बिट शॉकिंग बिकॉज मेरा मानना ये था कि दिस कंट्रीज, हमने जब शुरू में सुना था अपने इस जर्नी के बिगनिंग में कि भाई दिस कंट्री इज ऑल अबाउट सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप, माइक्रो फाइनेंस, बहुत सारी चीजें होगी. तो मुझे लगा कि कहाँ गैप है, हाउ कम देयर इज नो इन्फॉर्मेशन.
Correct.
तो हमने टीम बहुत छोटी टीम से बात की कुछ लोगों से. तो कई लड़कियां, उन्होंने शेयर किया कि टफ चीज रही है. हमारे अपने प्रोसेसिंग सेंटर में, जीसीओसी भी कॉल इट, गूगल सेंटर ऑफ सर्कुलरिटी, उस सेंटर में कुछ बात की तो वहाँ पे भी कुछ दिक्कत समझ आई. फिर मैं एक बार पर्सनली, बिकॉज आई एम यूजिंग द वर्ड मैं, बिकॉज उस टाइम पर्सनल ट्रेवल्स इस तरह की होती थी. अब तो टीम अब भी होती हैं, बट अब बहुत सारे लोगों का कंट्रीब्यूशन है
Correct.
अब इस पूरी आज के टाइम में. तो एक बार आई वाज रोमिंग अराउंड इन फिरोजाबाद नेक्स्ट टू आगरा, और वहां पर एक लेडी ने शेयर किया जस्ट व्हाइल टॉकिंग से, इस पर बात करना शुरू कर रहे थे. तो शी सेड, शी एक्चुअली सेड कि वन ऑफ हर सिस्टर यूज्ड अ पीस ऑफ ब्लाउज, और उसमें हुक था. एंड द विलेज सेज, एंड द पीपल से दैट शी डाइड ऑफ टेटनस.
God.
फिर थोड़ा और बड़े तो फिर पता लगा कि किसी महिला ने जो रजाई का कवर है वो फट गया होगा, कुछ हो गया होगा, तो वो यूज कर लिया. ठीक है. अब उसमें रुई थी या जो भी था, वो गर्मी में, तो देन फर्स्ट शी लॉस्ट हर यूट्रस, देन शी लॉस्ट हर लाइफ
My God.
इन द एंटायर प्रोसेस, इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट. तो मुझे लगा ये तो बड़ा गड़बड़ है मामला. तो हमने देन वी स्टार्टेड ट्रैवलिंग एंड वी स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग मोर, एंड देन वी रियलाइज कि भाई लाखों करोड़ों महिलाएं across the globe, not only in India, are actually using sand as jute bags, rugs, rags, paper, grass, गाय भैंस का गोबर, सूखे पत्ते, यूज सैनिटरी पैड, पुराने अखबार, फोम, सोफे का बचा हुआ, कहीं पड़ा हुआ,
My God.
मतलब anything and everything which can stop or absorb
Right.
is used as a sanitizer. तमाम टैबूज हैं दुनिया भर के,
सही बात है.
और वो सारा कहना कि विमेन की बॉडी को रेस्ट में, तो भाई ठीक है, मजेदार है, आप लकड़ी लाओ किचन में, ठीक है ना, ये वाले सारी चीजें हैं। और फिर वो सब की अचार खाएंगे तो ऐसा हो जाएगा, वैसा हो जाएगा। मतलब मुझे तो, मैं तो पर्सनली मानता हूँ कि एक पर्टिकुलर वीक मोमेंट पर वी फाउंड अनदर मोमेंट टू सप्रेस विमेन, क्योंकि वो ऑलरेडी वीक चल रही है उस समय में।
Right.
ओके, तो देन वी स्टार्टेड, वी सेड कि कपड़ा तो है, तो लेट अस स्टार्ट मेकिंग समथिंग। तो हमने कपड़े के बनाने शुरू करे। फिर एक सुनामी का, हमको चेन्नई में वी कैप्चर्ड अबाउट 100 ट्रक्स ऑफ मटेरियल व्हिच वाज अनडिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड। तो हमने वो सब बात किया, फिर वो वी वर्कड ऑन दैट मटेरियल फॉर 1.5 ईयर। वहाँ पे बहुत डिजाइन किए सैनिटरी पैड, बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन किए। वो सारा एक एक इंच कपड़ा हमने चैनलाइज किया वापस। वो वहाँ वेस्टेज था, इट वाज अनडिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन द गोडाउन्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट एंड वी टाइड अप। और उसके बाद द सब्जेक्ट स्टार्टेड ओपनिंग अप, वी स्टार्टेड ट्रैवलिंग। फिर हमने उसके साथ में चुप्पी तोड़ो बैठक करना शुरू करा कि लेट्स स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट टैबूज एंड ऑल दैट। So that way people say that we were the first people to talk about it in
I think
such a
so.
way, right? And also came out with a range of stuff कि cotton cloth से sanitary pad बनेगा, हौजरी से undergarment बनेगा, undergarment में 2 loop लगेंगे so that you can hold it. फिर एक पुराना प्लास्टिक का, यदि मतलब नॉट प्लास्टिक की फ्लैक्स मटेरियल जो आजकल है, so that when women can actually change it even in the field somewhere, bring it back to be washed. तो अब हम इसको बहुत लार्ज स्केल पे करते हैं. Fortunately, the subject is opened up.
Right.
The good part is there are a lot of people. The bad part is that a lot of people still think that product is the solution. वो बड़ा बुरा है, क्योंकि बहुत लोगों के लिए, तो हम बहुतों को ये समझाने की कोशिश करते हैं कि this is the same country which was distributing condoms free everywhere.
Right.
ढाबों से लेके और एसटीडी बूथ से लेके हर जगह, बट कंट्रोल नहीं हुई पॉपुलेशन, क्योंकि ये जो बड़े बड़े सोसाइटल इश्यूज हैं, इट्स नॉट जस्ट द हेल्थ और द वुमेन और द ह्यूमन इशू, ये इसमें अवेयरनेस चाहिए, इसमें एक्सेस चाहिए, इसमें अफोर्डेबिलिटी चाहिए, इसमें एक्शन चाहिए. वी कॉल इट 4A. 4A is that rules.
Right.
तो बट द गुड पार्ट इज दैट एटलीस्ट सब्जेक्ट इज ओपन.
Right. Very.
और ये हम लोगों के लिए अपना एक लाइफ में हमने बहुत बातें, मतलब इसमें जनरली वी हैव नेवर पोजीशनड आवरसेल्फ एज समथिंग इन दिस, बट इट्स गुड टू सी दैट थिंग्स हैव मूव्ड ऑन.
Very nice.
हम तो कर ही रहे हैं लार्ज स्केल प्रोडक्शन.
Right. But others have also started to, and yeah, it's important. Yes.
और उसमें बहुत अभी मेहनत बाकी है, बिकॉज व्हेन समवन टेल्स यू ना तो कि मेरा प्रोडक्ट 80% बायोडिग्रेडेबल है, वो बहुत बड़ा फ्रॉड है. क्योंकि if 80% biodegradable material is packed in 20% non-biodegradable, it is something like when you do the postmortem of many animals now and you find polythenes.
Yes.
क्योंकि उस पॉलिथीन के अंदर खाना था जो बायोडिग्रेडेबल था, बट पॉलिथीन तो नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल.
Polythene तो हाँ. Yeah, big problems for India. When big problems. So do you do work outside of India, or is all of it in India?
So largely India, but now the idea is certainly going out. Many other countries are very keen to do it.
Oh, wonderful.
और हम लोगों ने, मतलब to be honest, COVID has delayed that process a little bit. But वो है, बहुत सारी countries का अपना interest है इसको लेने में. A lot of case studies and all have started happening now.
Very nice.
So hopefully within the next couple of years, few other countries should be able to adopt the model. I mean, we have no plans to open our offices, but क्योंकि हम लोगों का बहुत participatory model है, and I think development sector of other institute, other countries should be able to take it up.
Very nice. So I have 2 more questions for you. I know हमारा 1 घंटे के ऊपर हो गया, but let me just ask 2 questions. You at a very young age had a serious accident, and you were told that you would never walk again, but you refused to accept that verdict. So how have your own personal experiences, obviously you must be a very strong-willed man even then, so how have that shaped the institution builder that you have become?
एक तो हमारे यहाँ एटलीस्ट इम्पॉसिबल वर्ड नहीं है,
हम्म
ठीक है।
हम्म
क्योंकि हमें लगता है कि हमें कोशिश तो करनी है, और हमारे यहाँ बड़े मजेदार है, जैसे कोई आके यदि कभी मुझे कह दे कि सर आई एम वेरी ऑनेस्ट,
हम्म
तो मैं उसको याद दिलाता हूँ कि देखो, डिसऑनेस्ट यदि होंगे तो वो एक क्वालिटी होगी तुम्हारी,
हम्म
क्योंकि ऑनेस्टी तो होना ही चाहिए, इसमें
होना ही
दिक्कत
चाहिए।
ये थोड़ी बताओगे तुम कि तुम ऑनेस्ट हो, या तुम कहो कि मैं आई एम वेरी हार्ड वर्क, होना ही चाहिए। तुम
हम्म
8-10 घंटे काम कर रहे हो, जो भी कर रहे हो लगन से और मेहनत से करना ही।
करोगे।
उसके अलावा कुछ एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी हो, चलो वही बात
बताओ।
अलग है, और जो कर रहे हो उसको हम सब अप्रिशिएट कर ही रहे हैं, बिकॉज वी नीड टू बी थैंकफुल टू समवन कि गूंज हैपन टू अस ना, वी डिडंट हैपन टू गूंज। हमारी तो ट्रेजेक्टरी, हमारा पाथ तो कुछ और था,
अलग थी।
ये तो कम्प्लीटली अलग है मेरे लिए भी, मीनाक्षी के लिए, हमें से
Right.
बहुत सारे लोगों, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ तो बहुत सारे लोग MSW तो नहीं जिन्होंने
Right.
सोशल वर्क के लिए, तो और हर तरह के लोग हैं। तो मुझे लगता है कि एक तो एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रांग है, मैं उसका आपको बहुत सिंपल एग्जांपल दे सकता हूँ कि हमारे यहाँ 2015 द ईयर वी रिसीव्ड मैक्सेस से, हमारे यहाँ एक बहुत मैसिव फायर हुआ ऑन द डे ऑफ दिवाली,
Okay.
और हम दिल्ली का हमारा पूरा सेंटर बर्बाद हो गया था, मतलब
Oh.
कुछ 50, 60, 70 पता नहीं कितने ट्रक्स मटेरियल गया होगा उसमें। सोचिए 10 फायर ब्रिगेड थी फ्रॉम 6 PM till 2 AM in the morning।
Oh wow. Oh gosh.
तो यू कैन इमेजिन क्या हुआ होगा, क्योंकि दिवाली का क्या होता है कि दिवाली वी हैव लॉट ऑफ इनफ्लो
Yes.
एंड वेरी लेस आउटफ्लो,
Right.
बिकॉज दैट्स अ फेस्टिव सीजन ऑल अक्रॉस द कंट्री।
Yeah. Of course. Of course.
है
Yeah.
ना? तो उस समय विलेज में ये सब काम नहीं होते हैं एंड ऑल दैट, तो
होते हैं,
सामान यहाँ रहता है, तो खत्म हो गया। दे वर लाइक कि पागल है क्या, आग लगी। तो आई टोल्ड देम, मैंने कहा देखो, ये द ओनली पीपल हु कैन कंट्रोल इट इज द अदर पीपल, जो
Fire
एक्सपर्ट्स हैं वो कर रहे हैं, मैं और आप सिर्फ रो सकते हैं, अभी हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते। तो लेट्स हैव फूड। सब अपना फिर 4-5 बजे सब चले गए, क्योंकि 6 बजे 6:30 बजे एवरीवन वाज बैक विद बकेट्स, हस्बैंड के सारे मतलब सब, कि हम निकालना है। I'll send you some pictures, you'll be surprised to see those pictures।
Please.
मैंने कुछ निकालना शुरू करा, कुछ मिलना ही नहीं था, सब खत्म हो गया था। अब उस समय ऋषि के देहरादून दिल्ली विल्ली मिला के हम 700-800 600-700 लोग हैं, तो वी मेक अवर ओन स्वीट, भाई अपने गुलाब जामुन में, मार्केट इज एक्सपेंसिव ऑल्सो और क्वालिटी भी नहीं होता है,
Correct.
तो गुलाब जामुन बचे हुए थे बहुत, और ये शाम के 4-5 बजे का टाइम, टीले पे, तो मैंने कहा यार गुलाब जामुन लाओ, तो शायद ये पहली जगह होगी जहाँ पे आग लगी, और सारे दिन लोगों ने मेहनत की, मैंने कहा जो है यही है, क्या कर सकते हैं। तो लॉट ऑफ इवन नेबर्स वेबर्स जो ऊपर से झांक, टिपिकल इंडियन स्टाइल, वो तारे जमीन पे का सीन याद होगा ना आपको,
Sure.
बच्चे। तो खैर वी हैड दैट, देन देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल वर थिंकिंग दैट दे विल लूज जॉब, क्योंकि बात तो सही है, हमारे पास बहुत कुछ खत्म हो गया था हमारा।
Correct.
एंड आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर, मतलब हमने एक ही बात बोली थी, हमने कहा देखो, कल से 2 काम होंगे, एक टीम इस जगह को साफ करेगी, BCO ट्रक MCD में जाके इसको खत्म करना है, कुछ निकल
Sure.
गया तो भी दी अदर टीम विल गो टू द अदर स्टोर्स, जो हमारे छोटे छोटे बचे हुए हैं अभी, विल स्पेंड 3 days, 4th day our first truck has to leave, and Professor Vora, 4th day our truck was out, and our truck contains 7-8 tons of material, not less than that, duly,
Yeah.
neatly sorted, kit made. And I still remember all of us were standing there with the truck, and we were crying, but that truck went. That's life.
That's life. Yeah.
Second, हमने आज तक चवन्नी भी रिश्वत नहीं दी। हम हार्डकोर लॉजिस्टिक्स के जॉब में, और आपने वो एक्सीडेंट का जिक्र किया था, one of the most important memory of that accident is that before any surgery, a bribe of 400 rupees had to go,
Wow.
which in my case didn't go, कि हमारे खानदान में होता नहीं था ये सब। और I still remember, मैंने 12th किया था उस समय, I still remember how the doctor yelled on my father, my mother, कि वो कहाँ है, and when they said कि नहीं डॉक्टर साहब वो नहीं हो पाएगा। मतलब इस देश में कौन रिश्वत को ना बोलता है, वो भी ऐसी स्टेज में जहाँ बच्चा ऑपरेशन टेबल पे है। एंड देन आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर कि द डॉक्टर टेलिंग कि यदि बच्चा मर गया तो क्या करेंगे टाइप पूरी धमकी.
Hmm.
आई लॉस्ट माई पेरेंट्स बट आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर हाउ दे सेड कि फिर वो हमारी किस्मत, लेकिन रिश्वत नहीं आई.
Wow.
वो हमारा वैल्यू सिस्टम है.
Wow.
और
Hmm.
यहाँ पे हमने कई बार बोला लोगों को आपस में कि भाई जब मतलब मेरा तो मजाक अब वो यूनिवर्सल मजाक बन कि जब पैर के लिए तो ट्रक के लिए क्यों देंगे. तो ट्रक यदि बॉर्डर पे तो अटका रहने दो.
Hmm.
विल सॉर्ट आउट, विल
Sort of, हाँ.
कोई जान पहचान नहीं, खुद जाके बैठेंगे, जो कुछ करेंगे
Right.
रिश्वत नहीं देंगे. होपफुली अगला जाने देगा.
Hmm.
To be
Hmm.
honest, that's how it is.
Wow. So if you build a reputation, then that really works for you either way, right? That's an important thing.
It works. It works.
And
Lot of
yeah,
people हमने कभी हम लोगों से
correct, correct. Yeah. Okay. So, you know, I wish you continue for a very long time, but every organization has to plan for succession. So how are you planning for succession? And is that already afoot, or what do you do?
देखिए मैं तो I travel 15-20 days a month.
Okay.
और मैं अपने ट्रेवल्स में आसाम कर रहा है. और बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग सिस्टम्स हैं, कलेक्टिव ओनरशिप है, और ऑफ कोर्स टेक भी है, नॉन टेक भी है, जो भी आपके और एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग वैल्यू सिस्टम है और एक अच्छी स्ट्रॉन्ग लीडरशिप है. बिकॉज द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस एंटायर जर्नी इज कि large number of people have not left. Large number of people, मतलब जिन्होंने जब हमने उस टाइम में जब लोग लेने शुरू करे थे, जब से टीम ग्रो हुई है, तो there are enough people who have done more than 10 years, 15 years, that this was their first job, this is their space right now. There are 4-5 people who went away, came back also, generally. I think the only missing thing कि आपको अब एक मदारी चाहिए. वो एक हमेशा इस तरह के इंस्टीट्यूशन में हमेशा एक दिक्कत आती है शुरुआती, क्योंकि कोई यदि हम कोशिश भी करते हैं तो कोई आपको आपकी जगह नहीं, यू नो, ये हमने कोशिशें की हैं बट वो कोई आपकी जगह नहीं लेना चाहता. तो आप क्या करते हैं कि आप ऑपरेशनली सारी जगह ट्रांसफर करनी शुरू कर देते हैं. तो इन अ वे तो जगह ले ली है, फिर आप उसको साइनिंग अथॉरिटी बनाना शुरू कर. तो इन अ वे तो जगह ले लिया उसने, और उसको लग रहा है कि, और है भी सच्चाई कि अभी एक और है ऊपर, करेक्ट, जिसके पास आप टफ होता है तो जा सकते हैं, व्हाटएवर व्हाटएवर. तो आई थिंक मैं अब लार्जली उस रोल में हूँ. ओके. आई केम बैक टू द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन अ डीपर वे इन कोविड फेज. पहले थोड़ा अलग निकल गया था. ओके. एंड तो अब जब कभी इस तरह की कोई चीज हो तो मैं एक्टिवली इन्वॉल्व होता हूँ. अदरवाइज मैं अपनी journey पे.
So when you say you travel for 15 days, is that for work or for something else?
No, 15-20 days is largely conversations, lectures, इधर उधर. यूथ के साथ बहुत काम है, मतलब मैं I want to spend my time with the younger organizations. I spend a lot of time with them. I spend a lot of time with conversation in colleges and all. मैं seminar conference में कम जाता हूँ, इन सब में बहुत जाता हूँ. प्लस आई ऑल्सो स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम इन द विलेजेस बिकॉज देयर इज अ पैरेलल बिगर कॉन्सेप्ट वी आर डेवलपिंग कॉल्ड ग्राम स्वाभिमान, व्हिच इज अबाउट द नैरेटिव ऑफ समवन अबाउट वनसेल्फ. ऑफ कोर्स कि मैं गरीब नहीं हूँ, मतलब मैं आई माइट बी इकोनॉमिकली वीक बट आई एम नॉट पुअर. नो वन शुड कॉल मी पुअर. तो मेरा बहुत सारा टाइम वहाँ भी निकल रहा है.
वेरी नाइस.
अपने ऑफिसेस बहुत रेयर जाता हूँ.
Yeah, okay. In fact, मैंने जितना भी काम किया है, whatever experience I have in villages, I've always said it's a misnomer. This whole poverty thing is misnomer. You know, slums में हो सकती है poverty, but गांव में it's a different kind of thing. We have to have a different word to explain it, not poverty. I mean,
people are just economically weak. Huh? Some people are economically. बट वो हमने इतना कर दिया है ना, एक इम्पोज कर दिया है कि तुम्हारी 2 एकड़ की जमीन है, तुम आओगे उसमें क्योंकि तुम्हारे पास कोई नौकरी नहीं है. नौकरी नहीं है, आपके पास लिक्विड कैश नहीं होता है. चलिए फिर, if we have to you know, if I know you work a lot with the youth, for the younger or people even, you know, who want to leave their corporate jobs or
work more in the kind of work that you're doing, what would be one or two things that you would like to tell them that they should keep in mind if they're making the switch or they're making that choice?
देखिए, एक तो ये कभी ना बोल दें कि कोई सेक्रीफाइस करने आए, ठीक है। क्या अपनी लाइफ की स्टोरी बहुत सिंपल है, रियलाइजेशन बाद में था। 98 व्हेन आई वाज लीविंग माय जॉब, मैं और मीनाक्षी दोनों आईएमसी से हैं, इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मास कम्युनिकेशन से।
करेक्ट।
और मैंने एक छोटी सी कैलकुलेशन की थी कि भाई फीस तो कुछ 1000 रुपए 2000 रुपए थी उस समय।
श्योर।
आइडली दैट फीस शुड हैव बीन मे बी 100,000 50,000 जो भी, बिकॉज काइंड ऑफ
Correct.
फैसिलिटी फैकल्टी भी है।
करेक्ट।
और तो मैंने अपने आप से पूछा था कि यदि वो फीस कोई 25-30 हजार रुपए या वॉट एवर हो, वॉज इट पॉसिबल फॉर माई पेरेंट्स टू पे? एंड द लार्जर एंड द ट्रूथ वॉज नो, ऑल्दो दे वुड हैव डन इट, बिकॉज उनका
Yeah,
तो
of course.
मोटिव ही हमारी पढ़ाई थी। किस कॉस्ट पे किया होता हमें पता नहीं।
राइट।
वो दिन था व्हेन आई रियलाइज दैट आई एम द बिगेस्ट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सब्सिडी ऑफ दिस कंट्री, ठीक है। और सब्सिडी कभी भी रिच लोग या सरकारें नहीं देती, सब्सिडी तो किसान देता है, मजदूर देता है, जो भी देता
एब्सोल्युटली।
है। और हम बहुत प्रिविलेज्ड हैं, वो वापस कर सकते हैं।
वापस कर सकते।
कुछ लोगों की अभी 1-2 पीढ़ी और लगेंगी। सब्सिडी होनी चाहिए नहीं होनी चाहिए, बट ये तो सच है कि मैंने सब्सिडी खाई। वो हर एक इंसान जो आज तक किसी गवर्नमेंट स्कूल, कॉलेज, IIM, IIT में, उसने सब्सिडी खाई।
श्योर।
प्राइवेट स्कूल में गया भी सब्सिडी खाई, क्योंकि लैंड और इतनी फैसिलिटीज, और वो भी सोसाइटी की तरह रजिस्टर्ड थे, यू नो, ऑल दैट कैन बी। तो जो भी इंसान कुछ करना चाहे वो ये समझे कि ये बहुत अच्छा तरीका है फास्टर पेस में कर्जा चुका, ठीक है। क्योंकि
करेक्ट।
तो बहुत लोग कहते हैं कि आपने बहुत सेक्रीफाइस किया, और हम दोनों को कभी समझ नहीं आता। BBC छोड़ना उनके लिए सेक्रीफाइस, बहुत बड़े घर ना होना सेक्रीफाइस है, या कुछ भी सेक्रीफाइस नहीं है, क्योंकि ये आपका ड्रीम था और आपने उस ड्रीम पे काम किया, और आप बहुत किस्मत वाले हैं कि ड्रीम सही डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है।
एंड टोटली
पूरा होने की कोई गारंटी नहीं है, क्योंकि रोज बड़ा हो जाए।
या
सिंपल। तो उसमें भी किसी का दोष नहीं है, ठीक है, आप किसी को दोषी
नहीं।
तो माई वेरी सिंपल humble advice और suggestion to people, do not come to make sacrifices, fine? I mean,
करेक्ट।
आप मस्ती से, इज्जत से कीजिए और अच्छा कीजिए, अपने सारे स्किल कर्जा चुकाइए।
श्योर।
दूसरा, गूगल से बाहर, क्योंकि ये जो भी कुछ हम भी थोड़ा बहुत सीख पा, कॉन्स्टेंटली सीख रहे हैं, वो टू बी ऑनेस्ट फील्ड में जाके ही सीख रहे हैं, बिकॉज गूगल बहुत सेलेक्टिव रीडिंग है।
करेक्ट।
गूगल में आज तक किसी ने टाइप नहीं करा हैप्पी फार्मर। जब आप डिस्ट्रेस इन फार्मिंग, फार्मर सुसाइड टाइप करते हैं, तो आपको फार्मर के रूप में एक वो बलराज साहनी की पुरानी पिक्चर याद आती है, विच इज नॉट फार्मर ओनली। आज का बहुत कुछ अलग भी है।
यस।
तो दैट इज व्हाई पीपल जस्ट नीड टू रियली डू अ लॉट ऑफ ग्राउंड वर्क,
करेक्ट।
लॉट ऑफ लिसनिंग, नो सॉल्यूशन प्रोवाइडर माइंडसेट,
राइट।
नो,
नन।
नहीं होगा उसका कोई फायदा नहीं, और ऐप बनाने से नहीं जाएगा ये सब किसी भी हाल में। मतलब इट्स अ गुड वे टू डू और एस्केलेट सर्टेन थिंग, बट आज भी हमारे देश में ग्राउंड पे काम का बहुत जरूरत है और अपॉर्चुनिटी है।
वेरी नाइस।
हम सिर्फ सैनिटरी पैड पे यदि आज इस देश के 100 लोग काम करें और प्रॉफिट मेकिंग काम भी कर लें, ठीक है, मतलब वो उस तरह की हरकतें ना करें जो दुनिया के बहुत सारे लोग कर रहे हैं, एक रीजनेबल प्रॉफिट के साथ में भी काम कर लें, तो भी 100 लोग नीड पूरी नहीं कर पाएंगे।
एब्सोल्युटली, एब्सोल्युटली।
इमेजिन द अपॉर्चुनिटी।
That's right. That's right. Yeah. Well, good. Thank you so much. It has been such a lovely afternoon speaking to you, and really moved me. I learned a lot from you, and I really wish you and Gunj all the best. And hopefully, we'll meet again sometime. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.